Hey guys, I am in Bang Sarai, which is some miles or some kilometers south of Jomtien, and been a couple times before. This is a rather small community along the beach, so hopefully we'll see the beach later. But I wanted to show you guys something here. They have some temples here. Of course, if you know something about Thailand, you know they have always a lot of temples, right? So golden decorations on these temples. So it's quite impressive, right? Well, quite impressive. And some guy here is making a commercial with his car. So they have a lot of seafood places here because it's obviously a fishing community. So let's have a look. This guy is advertising something, and this guy obviously has a problem to steer away from people who are walking. That's a bad it's a bad style of driving, huh? If you want to hit the guys. So here we have the swordfish painted there, and here you have a harbor area. So obviously there is a lot of things going on there, and this seems to be a pier. So maybe my friends just left me. I told them I want to go and film over here. They didn't care. So I hope I will find them again. So anyway, this is, like I say, maybe a pier. Maybe there's a boat going somewhere from here. Check it out. But everything here is in Thai, except for the Chang mineral commercial. So we have some Latin letters. So let's see what will meet us in this location. Huh? So here is the sea. We have some buildings here, probably some kind of a restaurant, the eatery. And there is a boat that obviously has seen his best days, a barge, whatever you call that stuff. So if you see far away from here, you can actually see Pattaya, the skyscrapers behind that white boat. Okay. So here we have some waves breaking. There is a temple, and here is some kind of monument. I don't know what is that about. There is a restaurant over here, obviously, but we are not so interested in the restaurant as we are over the harbor area. Let's see. Look here, we have outside. Very nice place for sitting. We have some people over there already, and here you see the harbor. Quite a lot of boats here. I'm sure these are fishing boats. So it means you. Look here. Yeah, there are many piers here. That's good. That's something I miss in the Philippines. They don't make many piers. So when you have a fisherman, you have to pull the small fishing boat. You have to pull it onto the beach when you're done fishing, and pull it off the beach into the big waves when you're gonna go out for a fishing. But here, the piers, guys, nice. Some of these boats look like they are not in the best condition. So anyway, it's the first time I've been to this area, to this pier. Oh, look at this barge, quite rotten, huh? So over there you see the coastline going all the way down to Jomtien and Pattaya. Oh, look here, the boats are really ready for the fire, I think, for going down in the bottom, huh? Look there, this one here, rotten. It's a sad story. They didn't get rid of them. I don't think they are easy to repair, these boats. So anyway, we're gonna go over here, have a look at something here. What is this? Look here. Oh, we have a white bird there looking for the fish. I don't know what they call that kind of bird, but here you see. Oh, it's a sad story, huh? These boats just being destroyed. Anyway, here you can see from the pier, you see some of the area here. And that's all for now. Later on we will make some other movies here from Bang Sarai, not Bang, Bang Sarai. Hopefully with a beach before the sun goes too much down. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll try to make some more follow-up videos from this place. Have a good day or good night or whatever. Thank you for watching Viking Rogaland.